Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Amazon Corretto 17 JDK installation on Windows 11 operating system with the Java underscore home environment variable. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Amazon Corretto 17 JDK for Windows from Amazon website. So I am going to extract the content to one directory. So extraction is successful. I am going to rename this directory for my convenience. So let us navigate the directory structure of JDK 17. So this is the directory structure of JDK 17, which contains bin directory. Bin directory contains all the executable files, and jmods directory contains all the Java modules. So Java modules are nothing but packages. And lib directory. So you have navigated the Amazon Corretto JDK 17 directory. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one environment variable. So Java underscore home environment variable. So right click this PC. So you can see this PC, right? Right click this PC. Properties. Once again advanced system settings, environment variables. Okay, you can see two types of variables. One is user variable, another system variables. So under system variable, we are going to set the Java underscore home environment variable because it will be available to all the users who ever log into this machine. So I am creating Java underscore environment variable and pointing JDK 17, and also I am going to edit path variable pointing the JDK 17 home directory. Home directory is bin directory. Java home's bin directory I am pointing in path variable, Windows 11 path variable. Okay, everything is fine now. Now let me open the command prompt. Yes, so I can able to run the Java commands. So you can see that Amazon Corretto 17 JDK installed successfully on Windows 11 operating system. Make sure that you have created the environment variable and appended the JDK home directory to the Windows path variable.